In order for electronic device to be operated, we need power supply to supply electrical power on it. So here is more explanation about power supply. Almost all household electronic circuits need a constant DC that have been converted from an unregulated power supply and must be capable to apply a constant DC voltage within the limit. A regulated power supply is an electronic circuit that is designed to provide a suitable voltage or less current to a circuit that must be operated within certain power supply limit. It also can be built using a simple Zener diode as a voltage regulator. Here is application of regulated power supply, which is bench testing, mobile phone power adapters, and home appliance.
A regulated power supply can be built by using a simple Zener diode as a voltage regulator. So, in this video, we will focus on regulated DC power supply employing shunt voltage regulator. Now, let me show you more about it. The characteristic of power supply. First, the load regulation indicates how much the load voltage change when the load current change. Second, the smaller the line regulation, the better the power supply. Third, the output of power supply determined by the load regulation. This is the block diagram of power supply that consists of transformer, rectifier, filter, voltage regulator, and load. Transformer is a static device which transforms electrical power from one circuit to another without any direct electrical connection and changing frequency power. A bridge rectifier will help to make sure that the current going to the DC bus circuit is always at the correct polarity.
RC filter is used to reduce the amount of ripple across a filter capacitor by using an additional RC filter section. A shunt voltage regulator provides regulation by shunting current away from the load to regulate the output voltage. Electrical load is an electrical component which forms part of the electrical circuit that consumes electrical energy and converts it into another form of energy.
Now, I will explain about the operation of power supply employing shunt voltage regulator.
Basically, shunt regulators are widely used as they are effective, cheap, and simple. However, it is unusual to find a shunt regulator used as a main regulating circuit in large power supply. The operation of power supply, starting with an AC voltage, a steady DC voltage is obtained by rectifying the AC voltage, then filtering it to a DC level, finally regulating to obtain a desired fixed DC voltage. Furthermore, load will be operated with a resistor in series with the shunt regulator and voltage source, then parallel with the load. So, here is the circuit of power supply employing voltage shunt regulator constructed using multisim. Well, this is the circuit power supply employing voltage shunt regulator constructed on straight board.
Now we will show result of our waveform for each stage.
During the whole time experimental conducted, we learned a new thing about the shunt voltage regulator.